Take a ride in the 2025 Legacy. The Subaru Legacy offers a roomy interior and a dynamic drive you feel every second you're in the driver's seat. It's a refreshing alternative to the alternatives. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.